What's up, guys? Today, I just wanted to take a minute and show you how I like to grill corn, and hopefully get you started if you've never grilled it before. To start out, I like to melt butter in a pan over the grill and throw in whatever seasonings or herbs that I'm using. And today, I got a Parmesan ranch seasoning from Blackstone and a few basil leaves. I put this mix on before cooking, during, and after cooking, but you'll see more of that later. Once it's buttered, throw it on a medium level flame and check it after a few minutes. Once the side facing the flame is done to your liking, you can rotate it and throw some more butter on. At this time, my camera decided to start overheating, so I wasn't able to record everything I was doing out here. So sorry for the short clips. Once the corn's done to your liking, throw another layer of butter on, because we all know it makes it taste even better. Now you can throw on any final ingredients. I usually do a bit of Parmesan cheese, but you can use whatever you like. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you can learn more from me in the future. Thank you for watching.